past year has been a big challenge for all of us, especially the children. The children have suffered a lot. COVID pandemic has brought a catastrophe in our lives, but we are clinging together. And in this struggle, a big thanks goes to the schools who have really struggled hard with having the students on board.
I must say that the online classes that were really helpful, and all the teachers and even the principal, they all have given their 100% to make this come true. And I guess no students, academically at least, no students have missed anything related to academic because of these online classes, and I really appreciate that.
Of course, it has been tough for I, as a teacher with fully grown up students. It's difficult to get hold of them and make them attend all the classes. So, a big special thanks and a big word of appreciation goes to all the faculty and all the staff of Gokulam Public School who have coordinated whatever was supposed to be done, whatever was supposed to be made happy. They made it happen. All the online classes, they made it happen, and they made sure that the kids are regularly attending. And thanks to them, it's not a bluff when I say that my kid is going to go ahead to another grade, to the next grade. He was studying in third, now he'll be going to fourth. If he passes his exams, which he will, I'm sure, because of the hard work that the teachers, they made sure that he's going to learn whatever was there in class 3. Do you miss your school, Shrey?
Yes,
What do you miss the most about your school?
I miss my teachers.
And
I miss my friends. I miss playing. I miss studying.
so you miss everything.
Yes.
You miss the programs that used to happen, annual day, all the
Yes.
dance, all the
Yes, a lot.
a lot, and your PT periods.
Yes.
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 So you see, generally, kids would often cry to go to their schools, early morning. But ever since my son has been studying in Gokulam, it's vice versa. He really looks forward to catching up with his friends and teachers. And thanks to the past year, the teachers made sure that they are in contact with the students. So thank you so much to one and all who have worked really hard to be a part of my son's growth, the annual growth, and I hope that the spirit will continue in the coming academic year. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Gokulam.
thank you, complete staff of Gokulam and the complete family of Gokulam. Thanks a lot.
Shreya, you want to say something? Say
Thank you
to your teachers,
to all.
to all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neetu.
I'm Akhilesh.
We are parents of Ardra 3rd B and Agni 1st A. We are here to express our gratitude towards principal, teachers and staffs of Sri Gokulam Public School, Calicut. After commencement of classes during this academic year, we were apprehensive on the success of the online classes as it was a new and untried way of learning for our children.
However, the new way of education came out to be as successful as the old and regular system of education. Also, good cooperation was found to be there between the students and the teachers in general during their interactions.
So once again, we thank principal, teachers and staffs of Sri Gokulam Public School for their support and cooperation throughout this academic year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi all, I am Anu Jinsen, mother of Arish George Jinsen of 2nd A. We all know that the last academic year 2020-21 was a challenge to students, teachers and parents all alike. The efforts taken by the teachers of Sri Gokulam Public School to impart quality education to our children during this tough time is truly appreciable. The teachers have taken an extra effort to learn the new teaching mode, and they have ensured that the future of our children is not at the stand. Although there was no physical interaction between the student and teaching staff, the teachers have always tried to maintain a physical touch with our children. They have conducted almost all the regular student engagement activities through virtual mode. They have conducted the Arts Day competitions, revision tests, periodic assessment, and everything in a professional manner. And this is truly commendable. We, parents and grandparents of Arush, truly appreciate the dedication and hard work taken by the teachers of Sri Gokulam Public School to make the last academic year a success. And indeed, it was a great success too. Thank you all teachers and management.